This is the Acceleration Lab Part 2. And I have the course that I'm going to do. The first thing I need to do is I need to measure 80 centimeters. Now, I have a meter stick, so I'm taking some tape and I'm going to put it there at 80 centimeters so that this edge of the tape is my starting line. If I'm using a measuring tape instead of a meter stick, then I'm just simply going to measure out 31.5 inches. So 31.5 inches or 80 centimeters. It's important when we do the lab to use 80 centimeters because it makes the math at the end of the lab much easier. Next, I'm going to take my book and I'm going to put it underneath at the 80 centimeter mark. And what I want to do is I want to measure the height of the ramp, so the top of this ramp right here at the 80 centimeters, which looks like it's right here at 6 centimeters. Again, I could use the meter stick, or I'm sorry, the measuring tape, and take my inch measurement, put it into Google, and convert that into centimeters to record onto the lab table. Now I'm ready to do the lab. And there's really two things that I need. I need a stopwatch right here, and I need the device that we have that's going to roll, whether it's the ball or the car. I find the car seems to go straighter, so it's a little bit more consistent. So what I'm going to do is at the same time. Now if you're doing this with a partner, when you say go, you let go and they hit start on the stopwatch. Otherwise, if you're doing it by yourself, you're going to do it all in one motion. So I'm going to hit start on the stopwatch at the same time that I let go of the car. And then once the car hits the books at the bottom, I'm going to hit stop. So ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Stop. So I got 2.79 seconds. All right, and I'm going to write that down. And remember that. I'm going to hit reset on my stopwatch and I'm going to repeat it. 3, 2, 1, go. Stop. 2.82 seconds. Now, notice that even I was doing 3, 2, 1, go, and it's a way to anticipate it. It's good when you're working with somebody to kind of give them that ready, set, go in a normal cadence. So when you're counting, it gives a normal cadence so you can kind of predict it. It's like sending a message to your fingers, but the one that's releasing the car and the one that's hitting the stopwatch. So you want to do that 3 times for the first step, and you want to record that all 3 times.